Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or delete saved login info on the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device. So if you do not want Facebook to have your credentials saved for easy and quick access when you sign back into your account, maybe you share your device with multiple different users. In today's tutorial, I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. Then you want to scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy button on this page. And then under Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button. And then you want to go underneath where it says Account Center at the top and select See More in Accounts Center. Select under Account Settings where it says Password and Security. And then select the Saved Login button in here, or this field near the top. If there's a saved login already in here, you would have to go ahead and just delete it, X out of it, and then you would save it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that process. Again, you just would go through there. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.